All right. So I think I've lost more than half of the audience. I can understand. I'm actually standing between you and your lunch, so I really appreciate you being here. So what I'm going to discuss is how to architect your systems and solutions and services for the cloud, right? A quick introduction before I go into that. My name is Hammad. I'm working as an architect evangelist with Microsoft. In my role, what I do is it's an advisory role. I work with key partner accounts of Microsoft in enterprise space, where we go there and we discuss architecture and how Microsoft win architectural battles. So it's mostly around architecture and enterprise space. And obviously, cloud is a big part of that. I'm also a member of IASA, which stands for International Association of Software Architects. I've done a lot of conferences for them, and I've been a regular speaker on their regional ITR conferences. I'm also a published author. In fact, I'm working on my second book on App Fabric. I had a deadline that I missed last weekend. I was supposed to submit chapter 4, but I'll continue working on that. But that's going to be something very interesting. If you have any questions after this talk, feel free to drop me an email, hammad@microsoft.com, or visit my blog, hammadrajjoub.net. Or any of you, if you're on Twitter, feel free to follow me or grab any conversation that you like. I'll be more than happy to answer. All right, so we're running short of time, so I just want to make it's very compact and full of meat. I want to give a very quick introduction. Then I want to move towards how are we transitioning towards the cloud. Everybody has talked about mainframes and whatnot. I just want to very quickly touch on that. I don't want to spend too much time on it. And the meat of the discussion is around the architectural practices in terms of your brownfield and your greenfield projects. When you move towards the cloud, what are the best approaches that you can take, and what are the best practices that you should be looking at. A quick disclaimer, although I work for Microsoft as an architect evangelist, I'm not a salesperson. I'm not here to sell any product, and my performance is not measured on everything. So just to get that thing out of the way. Okay, stairway to the cloud. With consumerization of IT and the way we're moving in the enterprise space these days, we're facing a number of challenges. Everybody wants to bring their favorite gadgets to the enterprise, to the works, to the offices, and then they want to use office systems on that. At the same time, workforces are being distributed. We're seeing globalization on a massive scale. Enterprises are distributed across different geographical locations. Infrastructure utilization is becoming a key aspect of how we look at IT. Data center is at the heart of everything that most of the organizations are doing. And we definitely want to reduce the complexity. Obviously, these are the things that is a recurring theme throughout the day that you've come across from different speakers as well. Imagine if you could achieve all of these benefits: reduce costs, flexibility, agility, mobility, easy to implementation, and last but not the least, end user productivity. That's what the power of the cloud is. So it's user-based, it's self-service, scalable, and it's efficient. Right? We've seen different definitions. There are a few tenets that you need to look at in terms of cloud computing. I've seen all sorts of weird advertisements, and we all know that marketers are liars. No offense if you're a marketing organization, but what I recently saw a couple of weeks back was that there was a hosting provider. It said that now cloud is coming to a server near you. Cloud is coming to a server near you because he is a hosting provider. He's opening a new hosting shop, so he says that cloud is coming to a server near you. I think the next thing is cloud is coming to your PC, and then cloud in a USB, right? So that's how this term is being abused. So everybody wants to jump on the bandwagon. I just want to make sure that we understand what the cloud is and what it is.